Hi, welcome back. This is one quick update. One of the best top book for SAP SD for learning initially. Probably you might have seen different kind of books for learning your SAP SD. So you have something called your institution materials. Probably you have writing your own notes. But for a quick reference, it is better to have if you have that seriousness to become SAP SD consultant. I'm just recommending one book that is available across the markets, worldwide famous. So when I was supposed to read, I think some 12 years ago, I was holding this book, and currently this book is quite popular. And let's go for this now. Okay. So you look at this implementing SAP ACC sales and distribution. Glenn C. William. He is one of the finest author. You just read this book. This should be like your library book if you really wanted to get the depth of your basics. Actually, I'm talking about, and if you wanted to get detailed explanation, each and every page is a journey for SAP SD. If you really wanted to learn SAP SD, have this book. Of course, so many others are there, like Kapil Sharma, some others, Indian others also there, but this book is one of the finest book. Especially, I'm recommending certified freshers. They think that we can handle interview just like that after doing certification. It's not so easy. You are not exceptional, and you will have little, uh, you know, percentage of preference will be given if you have a certification. And again, for freshers, experienced freshers, or else who don't have any idea. Suppose before hitting your institution for learning, and better go through this book so that it will create a lot of interest. Okay, this is what I'm telling. So let's try to understand why Glenn C. William is so popular once you go through the book only. So apart from this book, if you really wanted to make your library as video library, if you wanted to learn SAP SD perfectly, here goes 100 plus hours. I have done my hard work in this generation last 3 years. If you really wanted, you can try SAP SD sales and distribution. It will be backup for you so that quick reference to go through the total course. Really, you are fascinated to learn about you know pricing. This is the basic course. This is one of my top course currently available. And apart from that, I have this course, highest rated. If you go through this course, SAP SD, ECC or S4 HANA expected. So this is like, pricing, you don't have much changes, but this is one of the finest deliverable, my experience and standard. You try this course, you learn a lot of things in standard actually. Okay, so these referral links I'm just giving below of this video. If you are already experienced, or else you are in job trials, and if you wanted to be comfortable yourself in real time, getting master to write functional specification, this is one course I'm recommending. Continuously I'm stressing, better do this. You will be comfortable in real time, your requirement gathering, irrespective of any module. If you want, you can download the template, real-time functional specification functional document. You can write, taking one standard example. For example, uh, intercompany sales, for example, pricing configuration with additional manual condition types from existing in support. Like that, you put some heading and you try to write it down your own way, so that you will be get matured enough once you start writing. So till today, I'm learning how to write functional specification. Don't tell that I'm the top of the world on SAP SD or any SAP module, MM or FSCO. Your practical skills are very important. Industry is looking for such kind of people who can able to produce the skills at top. Okay, learn this course. And I'm recommending SD and MM consultants, real-time idoc training. You better do this. And I have one more course on shipment learning and transportation to cover a couple of questions. And STOs, I have one more course like that. I have a list of courses available here. So if you'd like to learn business processes separately, see why I have bundled these business processes and ECC and S4 HANA, you will get 30 to 40% of interview questions on this, your cash sales, credit sales, um, debit memos, credit memos, QTC and OTC, stock transfers, intercompany sales, individual purchase order, third party sales. That a list I have initially, I thought about 16. It is got increased the list. I have added this separately for interview purpose. You go through all these processes. If you are perfect, then you are ready for interview for some extent. You do all these courses in favor of interview I have done. If you don't have any introduction, you do this for S4 HANA business processes. Don't worry about these ratings. It's people wish. I cannot help it out. Okay. So you can try all these courses. Probably Monday to Friday, you observed it is getting at a cheaper rate, 400 to 500 rupees. You can try this. And the platforms are in the form of knowledge and striking at your places, Udemy, Facebook, LinkedIn, everywhere. It's up to you if you are not able to, it's your mistake, you are not able to utilize it. If you go way back to decade ago, nothing is available. Okay, this is my YouTube channel, better subscribe it. Okay, and this book is finally, I would like to say it is available in Amazon, 990 rupees. I think some offer is going on. I'm just putting this link below of this in description box. I'm putting this link. If you want, and if you really wanted to learn, you can buy, or else if you have soft copy also, that is fine. Flipkart is little costly now. Okay, better try in Amazon. That's what I'm suggesting. I'm just providing this link to buy this book below of this video. Okay, so thank you so much. I wish you all the best. And in addition to this book link, I'm just giving my YouTube version for SAP SD. If you really wanted to swim there, get ready yourself. But don't forget, do those two courses, writing functional specification, getting master to write functional specification. Second one is idoc for functional kernel. Get train yourself. Don't wait for anybody. It is high time for you. Whenever you don't get, whenever you get a job opportunity, you have a less time frame to get prepare yourself to such an extent to prove yourself. Okay, so recession, if openings are less, how many openings you need? One opening, right? And get prepare yourself before attempting interviews. It's so serious. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best, and Jai Bharat.